Well, despite 56 meetings, the Joint Parliamentary Committee appointed to probe the 2G scam has been hopelessly divided in its views. Though the report gave the Prime Minister and then Finance Minister a clean chit, another section of the committee has been strongly contesting this decision. The JPC will meet today for the final time to make up its mind on the 2G scam report. But with the ruling UPA and the opposition having almost equal numbers in the 30-member panel, fireworks are clearly in store.
A week after its draft report was leaked, the JPC is meeting today to adopt the controversial report, which gave a clean chit to the Prime Minister in the 2G scam.
If the opposition insists on taking a vote, then the government is short of a majority. It will have to bank once again and pin its hopes on the SP and BSP to bail itself out once again.
And despite warnings of dissent from the opposition, JPC Chairman PC Charco remains unfazed.
ये पांचवी जेपीसी है हमारा पार्लियामेंट का। कोई प्रेसिडेंट नहीं है जेपीसी में, काफी कोई वोटिंग नहीं हुआ है।
But following A. Raja's 100-page submission to the JPC chairman, the opposition members in the JPC continue to question why he was not summoned to personally depose before the parliamentary panel.
We will not be introducing a new draft, certainly not from the BJP NDA side, but we will certainly work for the rejection of the draft report.
Are you confident about the figures?
We are trying our best to muster support.
And it's not just the BJP. Even the left is gearing up for dissent.
The draft report which is in circulation by the JPC is not acceptable to us. It is a very prejudiced report.
A vote within the JPC cannot be ruled out. And if it comes to that, Charco will be hoping that UPA allies come on board. Bureau Report, Times Now.
The Congress has 10 members represented in the JPC, and along with one NCP member, the government's numbers work out to 11. There are 3 fence-sitters, which are 2 BSP and 1 Samajwadi Party. And at the bottom of your screens is the number for the opposition parties, and that works out to a whopping 15 numbers. If these numbers were to vote, the total is 29 because the chairman only votes if there is a tie. There are 2 scenarios that are possible. If the fence-sitters, the Samajwadi Party and the BSP move to the government and support the government, the number works out to 14. Even then, the government will need to look out to break away one from the opposition ranks. It's 15 versus 14 in the first scenario. The second scenario could be if the fence-sitters, that is the Samajwadi Party and the BSP, move towards the opposition, in which case it's bad news for the government because it will be 18 versus 11, and that's why once again eyes are on the BSP and the SP. Will they bail out the government yet again in the JPC report?